Dr. Yumkella, good morning. It's such a great pleasure having you on Capital Radio.
Thank you for having me.
Okay. You've been here at the 15th IRENA Assembly discussing on major issues, and one of the things that you were talking about is talking about renewable energy. How significant is such a particular event to Sierra Leone, and how can we address some of the issues with renewable energy?
Well, it's great to be at the 15th Assembly of the International Renewable Energy Agency. Sierra Leone is partnering with IRENA on a number of projects and programs. Number one, together with His Excellency the President, in 2023, we launched in Nairobi the Accelerated Partnership for Renewables in Africa. President Bio and President Ruto launched it, along with the heads of states of Germany, Denmark, and some other countries. This is the main flagship program now for IRENA in Africa. And already we have projects that they're trying to promote for us to find partners. Our Bumbuna upgrade program, where we want to add 2 more turbines to Bumbuna and also add almost 80 megawatts of solar as well to Bumbuna. In other words, we want to triple the capacity. They are also promoting some of our other hydro projects like Dodo and in Kenema, and also Singimi in Moyamba. Beyond that, we are working with IRENA on other efforts to reform our energy sectors.
I'm talking right now about the challenges of energy in Sierra Leone. It's quite huge, and many issues need to be addressed. How do you think we can chip in ensuring that renewable energies contribute towards helping the electricity, especially in Sierra Leone?
For us to have cheaper electricity in Sierra Leone, let me put it this way, affordable power in Sierra Leone, we need to increase the share of renewables in the mix. Currently in our country, our tariffs are too high, almost 23 US cents per kilowatt hour, in some locations perhaps even 25. In order to lower that tariff on the citizens and on businesses, we need more renewables already. It is our hope that in the next 12 months or so, we will be able to add 80 megawatts of solar, with 30 megawatts at Newton, 10 megawatts in Lunge, and 40 megawatts in Kamakuye. All of that is supported by the World Bank and IFC, and so we're very confident that that will begin to improve the mix. We also are promoting private sector projects like B-Congo, Betmai, and we're hoping that we can also find a partner for Serengeti to expand their 5 megawatts they have in Baumau in Bo. So if we do that and we're able to get investors into Dodo and Bumbuna, it means that this government will be able to add 200 or more megawatts of renewable energy to our energy mix, which will ensure energy security, stabilize the grid as well. We need to do a lot of reforms. In IRENA now, I'm meeting with other ministers of energy to understand how they've improved their systems. One example is, for example, Gambia. In our country, in Sierra Leone, EDSA, according to the World Bank and other studies we're doing now on EDSA, they have losses, technical and commercial losses of 60%. Gambia has only 21% losses. They're going to reduce it to 18%. If Gambia can do it, why not Sierra Leone? EDSA needs massive reforms, and inshallah 2025 will be a decisive year for EDSA. Together with the President's directives, we will move very aggressively on reforming EDSA. We must reform EDSA. And again, when we compare EDSA, we're comparing it to our neighbors. Liberia reduced their losses by 30% in 2 years. So why can't we do the same in EDSA? And inshallah, since we're in charge now, we will do our best to ensure that we improve EDSA, we reduce losses, improve revenues, and also see how we transition out of emergency power.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Well appreciated.
Thank you for the time.
Capital Radio. First with news, first with information and first with music.